Dinner recipes air fryer. 1. Air fryer honey garlic chicken wings. Ingredients: 2 lbs chicken wings, a quarter cup flour, 1 tsp garlic powder, 1 tsp onion powder, a half tsp salt, a quarter tsp black pepper, a quarter cup honey, a quarter cup soy sauce, 2 tsp ketchup, 1 tsp olive oil, 1 tsp minced garlic, 1 tsp grated ginger, green onions chopped for garnish. Instructions: 1. In a bowl, mix together flour, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and black pepper. 2. Coat chicken wings in the flour mixture and place in the air fryer basket. 3. Cook at 400 F for 20–25 minutes, flipping the wings halfway through. 4. While the wings are cooking, make the honey garlic sauce. In a small saucepan, mix together honey, soy sauce, ketchup, olive oil, minced garlic, and grated ginger. Cook over medium heat for 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. 5. Once the wings are done, toss them in the honey garlic sauce until fully coated. 6. Return the coated wings to the air fryer basket and cook for an additional 5 minutes at 400 F. 7. Garnish with chopped green onions before serving. 2. Air fryer Parmesan crusted salmon. Ingredients: 4 salmon fillets, a quarter cup all-purpose flour, a quarter cup grated Parmesan cheese, 1 tsp garlic powder, 1 tsp dried parsley, a half tsp salt, a quarter tsp black pepper, 2 tsp olive oil, lemon wedges for serving. Instructions: 1. In a shallow dish, mix together flour, Parmesan cheese, garlic powder, dried parsley, salt, and black pepper. 2. Coat each salmon fillet in the flour mixture and place in the air fryer basket. 3. Drizzle olive oil over the salmon fillets. 4. Cook at 400 F for 8–10 minutes, depending on the thickness of the fillets. 5. Serve with lemon wedges. 3. Air fryer sweet potato fries. Ingredients: 2 large sweet potatoes, 2 tsp olive oil, 1 tsp garlic powder, 1 tsp paprika, a half tsp salt, a quarter tsp black pepper. Optional. Dipping sauce of your choice. Instructions: 1. Cut the sweet potatoes into thin, even strips. 2. In a bowl, toss the sweet potato strips with olive oil, garlic powder, paprika, salt, and black pepper. 3. Place the seasoned sweet potatoes in the air fryer basket in a single layer. 4. Cook at 400 F for 15–20 minutes, shaking the basket halfway through. 5. Serve with a dipping sauce of your choice, such as ranch or ketchup. 4. Air fryer chicken parmesan. Ingredients: 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, a half cup all-purpose flour, 2 eggs beaten, 1 cup panko breadcrumbs, a quarter cup grated Parmesan cheese, 1 tsp garlic powder, 1 tsp dried basil, 1 tsp dried oregano, a half tsp salt, a quarter tsp black pepper, 1 cup marinara sauce, 1 cup shredded mozzarella cheese, fresh basil leaves for serving. Instructions: 1. Preheat the air fryer to 390 F. 2. In a shallow dish, mix together flour, garlic powder, dried basil, dried oregano, salt, and black pepper. 3. In another shallow dish, mix together beaten eggs and panko breadcrumbs. 4. Coat each chicken breast in the flour mixture, then dip in the egg mixture, and then coat with the panko breadcrumbs. 5. Place the breaded chicken breasts in the air fryer basket.